running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi. I'm just running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
Yo, what up, YouTube fam? Your boy FLA back at ya. Go do a quick little video. You know, I'm gonna do a little follow-up on the roar pedal. As you know, car's totaled, so I'm not gonna be using it no more. So I done sold it to one of my partners, Venom. You know, up here in Jacksonville. If you want, go check out his channel too. The Venom car. Follow him on Instagram. He got a V6 Challenger. So we're going to test out the roar pedal, install it in this vehicle right now, and we're going to see what it do. Because I've seen a lot of questions, you know, in the comments on these roar pedal videos, if it would work in a V6 or whatever. So we're going to put that to the test right now, and we'll see what's up. Hopefully, you know, it gets them to V7 level. So let's get it. Holla at your boy. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, boy. This man think he in a fucking V10 now. Oh, shit. But as you see, no check engines, no nothing. It works on a V6, guys. Heard it here first. FLA Hemi coming with that fire. So we good to go. Plug and play on a V6, man. All these connectors are all the same on these cars, so, you know. Right now he has it on Sport Plus 9, and that's not even the highest setting. Obviously, Race Mode 9 the highest setting. So what you think, man? What you think?
That shit crazy.
Oh man, he got a smile on his face. He over here smashing the gas, about to kill me, about to make me have 2 accidents in 1 month. But he's smiling, man. So another happy customer. You already know, man. Get you a roar pedal, man. Screw that pedal commander. 350 is out the ballpark, man. But 50 is perfect, and it does what it says. So there you go, man. Who brought it to you first? FLA Hemi, man. Roar pedal on a V6, done. Another one. You see? No check engine still. We Gucci, man. So holla at your boy, man. This was just a quick little video. Hold on, this man over here want to do donuts. Let's see what he trying to do, man. Yeah, put it on that Race 9. SA, it should be SA9. That's the one thing I would say about the controller, the way they name it, you know, FUSA. It kind of like throw you off a little bit, but once you get accustomed to it, you know, you'll remember. But I just remember FU as in, you know, FU. Right now he putting it on, yeah, SU. Yeah, SU. SA is eco. We don't do eco. He got that bit on Race Mode 9.
Yeah, I do see that instant, like as soon as you put the pedal.
Yeah, as soon as you touch it, man, you know. As soon as you touch it on that Race Mode 9, I ain't gonna lie, it had my car running, man, on that race Mode 9. I was loving it, man. It just sucks. I only got to use it for about 4 days, and then disaster struck. But let's see. Oh, he over here gonna take traction control off.
All the way up now.
Yeah, take traction control all the way off. Remember, man, this is a V6, but he over here got a V7, man. He be running with me on the highway when I had my V8. Oh, we're burning out and shit. Oh man, this man got a V8 now, man. There you go, bro. You got a V6, spend $150, and you got a V8. There you go. Woo! Oh, I hear sirens. Man, the thing about this whole roar pedal and these pedal commanders, I don't know if it's a placebo effect. I'm still gonna, you know, that's my theory. I don't know if it just... It probably changes the sensitivity of your foot pedal, so you're applying less pressure when you push the gas. Like, say normal without it, you're putting 10 pounds of pressure or whatever. I'm just throwing a number out there. This makes it so sensitive, so, you know, it makes it less pounds of pressure. So in your mind, it thinks like the car faster or something. You're just not pushing on the gas as hard anymore. And then as the longer you use it, your body gets used to, you know, that pressure. So like I said, I don't know if it's placebo or whatever. You can fight with me all you want, man, because obviously nobody's tested it yet. It's not proven to give you no horsepower, but it definitely makes you feel like your car is going faster for some reason. So it is what it is. Stick to the next one, man. We out here. Another one done. FLA Hemi over and out. New to the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment. You already know. Octane 2.0 coming. I'm going to keep my mouth shut. Y'all just stay tuned and watch. I'll let your boy.